Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save Instagram DP on Android. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app and log into your Instagram account. Now, go to the profile whose DP you want to download. Once you are on their profile page, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and select the option to copy profile link. Next, go to the browser and search for in Downloader. In the search results, look for the official website and open it up. Now, select Avatar from the right side on the screen and paste the profile link you copied earlier into the input box on the website. After that, tap the search button to proceed. The site will then load the profile picture in high resolution. Once the image appears, tap the download button to save it directly to your phone's gallery. This method works quickly and does not require any apps or screenshots. Just remember, this only works for public profiles. If the account is private, the profile image cannot be accessed or downloaded through this method. So that's basically how you can save Instagram DP on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.